Embrace the future of medical computing with the CyberMed G Series. Designed and manufactured specifically for the healthcare sector, the G Series of medical computers provides a powerful, reliable, and secure platform for your providers. The G Series doesn't compromise on reliability or safety. Our all-in-one computers are certified to IEC 60601 standards, ensuring that they are safe to use in close proximity to patients and won't pass electrical surges to them or medical devices. We also implement IP65 rated bezels on our computers, which can block dust and liquids from entering the casing. This protects the computer's most vulnerable components and allows you to clean and disinfect the outside without any issue. On top of that, the CyberMed G Series uses fanless cooling, reducing the number of moving parts and chances of mechanical breakdown. The CyberMed G Series is available in 15, 22, and 24-inch display sizes with full HD resolution to meet the needs of healthcare providers. The 15-inch offers a very compact form factor while still providing that full HD resolution. The 22-inch emphasizes high image quality and color accuracy, while the 24-inch is the brightest and most robust display, currently available in its class. The 24-inch is also available in 2K resolution for when the pixel count is absolutely critical. Additionally, our computers can come with integrated anti-glare and privacy filters embedded into the screen itself, adding further flexibility and security to your equipment. The CyberMed G Series can handle a full suite of responsibilities from EHR management to clinical documentation. Equipped with Intel processors and up to 64 gigabytes of RAM, our computers can run all of the latest medical software programs while seamlessly connecting to a broad spectrum of both modern and legacy I/O ports. Ports such as USB Type-C and RS-232 serial ports. Compatible with both Windows and Linux operating systems, the G Series can fulfill any medical role you need it to. The CyberMed G Series is also easy for its users thanks to its intuitive touchscreen controls. Our touchscreens are precisely calibrated and can detect inputs even through 5 layers of nitrile gloves and sterile medical bags, ensuring accuracy even while multitasking. Cybercrime is an ever-growing threat, and that's why we implemented a full suite of cybersecurity features, such as Imprivata certified encryption to protect private healthcare information, whether that means RFID tap-and-go scanners, smart access PIV readers, or Bluetooth-based access control methods. Our unit can support a wide range of interfaces. These features protect the privacy of your patients and help you maintain HIPAA compliance. As an original equipment manufacturer, we have full control over our manufacturing process and can customize our CyberMed G Series to meet your specific needs. Choose from a wide selection of processor options, peripheral features, and more. We can also handle deployment and imaging, ensuring that computers arrive with all the necessary computer programs already installed, saving your IT team valuable time. Finally, our commitment to quality ensures that devices have a failure rate below 0.5% per year and offer live, US-based phone and email technical support on all of our products for their entire lifespan at no additional cost. Embrace the future of medical computing and deliver better results for your patients with the G Series today.